Today, we're diving into a really interesting perspective on friendships and relationships. There's a trend that many people experience now, where they feel this constant need to reconnect with old friends, especially through online platforms. What's your take on that?
It's definitely an interesting social phenomenon, isn't it? It feels like people are searching for something they're missing, like they're hungry for connection. But I think the real question here is, why do they feel this way? If you had a true friend, someone who was intellectually compatible with you, wouldn't they already be in your life?
Right. And if you've been disconnected for a while, can you really pick up where you left off? Isn't that just setting yourself up for disappointment?
Exactly. I mean, if a friend has drifted away, it's probably because you're not on the same intellectual or emotional level anymore. Reconnecting might just end up being a waste of time. Sometimes the fact that you're not connected shows that it's just not the right time for the two of you to meet again.
And that brings up another point. When we feel that desire to reconnect, is it really the friendship we miss? Or is it the idea of what that friendship once was?
That's the key? It's like when you think of visiting an old restaurant you loved years ago. You go back, and while the place looks the same, the experience doesn't feel the same anymore. You realize the magic was tied to a different version of yourself, and now, it's just not the same. People often forget that they've grown since then.
So, this idea of reconnecting with old friends or places might just be a way of revisiting the past because we haven't fully acknowledged that we've moved beyond it. It's like when you keep thinking about your middle school days. Sure, it was great back then, but would you go back to it now? Probably not.
Exactly. And it's also about attachment. When we can't let go of the past or things that are no longer relevant, we keep searching. But once we realize those things aren't what we need anymore, we free ourselves from that attachment. It's like realizing that the restaurant you once loved just doesn't have the same vibe anymore.
It's like thirst, too. You're constantly searching for something to quench it, but once you get to the source and realize it's not what you expected, you can stop chasing it. That's how we need to treat our friendships and relationships.
Right. The principle is clear. Don't chase after people or things out of thirst. Wait for them to come to you when the time is right. If they truly need to meet with you, they'll find their way back. And it's the same with family, especially parents. You shouldn't visit them just because you feel like you're obligated, but because the right moment to connect naturally arises.
That's a profound way to look at it. So it's not about forcing reconnections, but letting them happen naturally when both parties are ready.
Exactly. If you're busy doing your work and focused on what's important, that's when people will come to you. And when you do meet, it won't be out of obligation, but because the time is right.
That's such a refreshing perspective. Instead of stressing over maintaining relationships, we should focus on living well and let the connections happen when they're meant to.
Absolutely. And when that time comes, it'll be a much more meaningful encounter, and we'll have learned something from it. The lesson is clear. Let things unfold naturally, and you'll find what you truly need without forcing it.
I couldn't agree more. It's about understanding the principle and allowing life to bring you what you need at the right time.